Our planet is our home and our future, and it deserves our respect. Global warming is not a law of nature. We have the means to halt it. Today's boats are unnecessarily inefficient. The average size boat needs 15 times more fuel than a family car. Combustion boat engines emit CO2, hydrocarbons, and nitrogen oxides. Most boats are also excessively noisy and bumpy. The technology is already here, and it's maturing rapidly. Light and energy-dense batteries is changing the automotive industry. Hydrofoils are transforming sail racing. Ultralight carbon fiber materials reduces weight. With a team of Europe's best designers and engineers, Candela is changing the way boats are built. We make them electric, and we give them a range on par with fossil-burning boats. The Candela speedboat is fast, completely silent, and runs smooth through waves. It costs a fraction of a traditional boat to run. Above all, Candela produces no emissions. No CO2, no oil, no smoke. Just the future.
The interest has been massive, and the first year's production is already sold out. Get on board at candelaspeedboat.com.